Okay, I have three fractions that we're going to convert today. I have 3/5, 5/8, and 1/6. We are going to convert all three of those into decimals. So if I start with the 3/5, I can divide 3 divided by 5, I'm going to add my zeros. I can do 3 divided by 5. So 5 goes into 3 0 times. I'm going to keep my decimal place. 5 times what gives me 30. I got 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. I'm going to subtract. I got 0, so I'm done. I don't need any more of my zeros. That was a pretty easy conversion. So I have 6/10 is equal to 3/5. I could have also converted 3/5 into tenths because I know 5 times 2 equals 10. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6/10 is equal to the decimal 6/10. There's my 10. I need one place value, so 6/10. So 3/5 equals 6/10. That one was pretty easy. Now let's go look at 5/8. We're going to do 5/8 in purple. So 5/8, I'm not really sure where I can go with 8 to get to 10 or 100, so I'm going to have to divide. So 8 goes into 5 how many times? Whoops. I'm going to have to put those zeros because I know it's not going to work. So 8 can't go into 5. 50, so 8 times what gets me close to 50? 8 times 5 is 45. Nope, 8 times 5 is 40, sorry. 8 times 6 is 48. So 50 minus 48 is 2. I bring down another 0. I have 20. 8 goes into 20 how many times? Let's see. So 8 times 2 is 16. I have 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. And I'm going to have to add another 0 and bring it down. 8 times what gives me 40? 8 times 5 is 40. So I have my 40 minus 40 equals 0. So I'm done. So 5/8 is equal to 625 thousandths. It's equal to 625 thousandths. Okay, so I had to divide on that one, so I need to remember my long division steps. If I go to 1/6, that doesn't seem so hard. I could draw a picture and divide it into 6 equal parts. 1/6 filled in, doesn't look like a whole lot. It's kind of hard to judge, so I'm going to divide 1 by 6, put my decimal and my extra zeros. 6 goes into 1, 0 times. 6 into 10 is 1 time. 6 times 1 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. I bring down a 0. 6 times what gets me close to 40? Well, I know 6 times 6 is 36, so I'm going to subtract. And I get another 4. Bring down a 0. I'm going to end up doing the same thing. It's going to be 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. It keeps repeating. So in this case, 1/6 equals 16 hundredths with a 6 repeating. Ooh, let's get that fixed there. So 1/6 equals 0.16 with the repeating line over 6, because 6 is the only thing that repeats. Okay, so that was pretty simple. We are going to continue to do this throughout the rest of this module.